Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing, as you can tell by the title already, we're going to be doing a Wondagurl type beat once again. Yes, I know I've done them before, but I mean look at the views. Like, come on, like, you guys like it, I like it, so I'm gonna do it again. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and make some dark melody with Omnisphere. Matter of fact, actually, I don't even want this. I'm gonna download this sample. I don't even care. Actually guys, so instead of actually going straight to Omnisphere, I actually found this sample. It's like from a movie or something. I just downloaded it and I kind of liked it. So I mean, here's what it sounds like. Then I'm gonna go into Omnisphere. So I'm not gonna go into Omnisphere right now, but here's the sound of. But yeah, you get the idea. There is the sample. I'm gonna go ahead and play around with it. I'm gonna throw it in Edison real quick and then EQ and everything, because there's a lot of low end on this, so I need to get rid of a lot of that. So we're just gonna go ahead and look for that loop. Alright y'all, so we found a loop from the sample and I'm just gonna let y'all hear it. So I might just get rid of this track, but here's the first one. And then here is the second one. Okay, obviously they're really low pitch, so we're probably going to turn them up a little bit and you know, EQ them and all that good stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. And then I'm going to go ahead and start finding counter melody. Alright y'all, so we found a nice loop for the melody. All I did really was, well, you know what, let me show you. All I did was I just went to channel settings, pitched it up to, how much is this? I don't even know. This is what, 60%? Or no, 91%. There you go. Pitched it up there, stretched it out. Like, I cut the thing in half and like I stretched it out so that it just like fits the thing here. And then one over here added a few things. Of course, had to add the reverb. Come on, reverb is mandatory, as well as gross beat twice. You know what I'm saying? I did the flanging preset and I also did the momentary half speed preset, and of course I had to EQ it a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Just to get rid of the lows, obviously, and some of the highs too, because there's a lot of hissing in that sample. So here's what the final product sounds like. But yeah, there's that. I kind of wanted to go faster. I mean, I know obviously I could turn up the tempo, but then I don't want the drums to be ridiculously fast like heavy metal. So yeah, I'm gonna see what I can do. Now I'm just gonna look for a counter melody. I'm just gonna record this in Edison and then get the pitch regions and all that. And yeah, you know the drill. All right, so we're gonna open up Edison. Let's open up a new Edison actually. Let's go, there it is. Open up Edison, press record on input. I'm actually gonna just detach this and then press play. That should be about enough. Now what we are going to do is, I don't have to, I'll just trim the side noise just because. Alright, and then, where is it? Alright, now that we got the recorded sample, we're gonna go ahead and detect pitch regions right here. And it looks like we got E, G, C, B, and those are the notes. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the sampler channel, or make a sampler channel. If I could just hit the plus button. Hit none, go to the sampler, add my scale. So E, G, oh that's D. E, G, C, I think B was one of them. Yeah, E, B, GC. Alright, so we got our scale. Here's our scale. It's not the most elaborate thing, but it's what we got. I'm just gonna duplicate these just because, you know, we need some more references. Where the hell? There we go. Let's just keep doing that. All right, I think we're good now. So what I'm gonna do is look for maybe another melody. I don't know if I want a guitar or a bell, who knows? We'll see. But I know one thing's for sure, that I'm going to use Omnisphere. Okay, y'all, we're getting somewhere. So basically all I got right now is just one counter melody, one simple, very, very simple counter melody. All I used was, what was that, what I used? I used the Ebo droplets. That's what I used. This thing right here. And just made this MIDI right here, and here's what it sounds like. But yeah, there you go. Now it is time to add the drums, but I'm gonna save the 808 slides for last, okay? I'm gonna have the 808 slides, don't worry, because I know last time I didn't have them, y'all went crazy, and you know what, it's fine. I'm gonna add them, don't worry. Last time I was just lazy, but this time I'm gonna try my best to do it, okay? Yeah, so let's do this. Let's look for some nice drums. Okay, so guys, the basic drums are done. As you can see, they are laid out here. Got a few things done. Now it is time. It is time for the 808. I'm gonna go ahead and load up the 808, and I'm also gonna show you the rest of the drums after I'm done with the 808, obviously, because you know I want y'all to hear everything at the end. Okay, so I have to, you know what I'm saying? It's just the suspense. But I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Wondagurl 808. And remember, when you're doing 808 slides, you gotta make sure you have a bass line. And to make a nice bass line, actually, before that, let's tune the 808, make sure it's in. Oh, whoops, that is not what I meant to do. Let's make sure this is in the right key. Let's detect these mofos. A sharp. Let's see. There's A sharp. Alright, and then of course you gotta make sure you turn on these envelopes so that you control how long the slide lasts. You know what I'm saying? You don't want slides to just ring out and be stupid. You gotta let them be free. So we gotta make the envelope just look just like this. Turn up the hold for everything and then turn everything else down. Now it's time to move on to the piano roll. So we're gonna go ahead and make this 808 pattern, and we'll see y'all when I'm done. Alrighty. Alright, you guys, so I have finished the 808s. I'm probably gonna tweak it a little bit because, you know, I always gotta tweak it a little bit. Alright, next I'm gonna work on the hi-hats. I kind of already did start working on them, as you can see here. So I'm gonna continue doing that, and we're gonna mix it and wrap it up, and then we'll be all done. Then you'll see the masterpiece. So sit tight and enjoy yourselves.
Many months later.
Okay, y'all, so the beat is done, mixed, mastered, everything is good to go. My camera died in the process. I really need to get like a spare battery or something, or a better camera, to be honest, because this thing just keeps dying on me. But we got everything down, ready to go, and I laid it out looking clean. And you know, without further ado, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna let y'all hear the beat. So here you go. You're welcome. you guys go, there is the beat. There is my Wondagurl type beat. Hope you guys liked it. I added the slides in this time so you guys won't be pissed off at me. You're welcome. But yeah, man. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe to the channel. All right. Big things planned, man. We're only going up. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.